I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. Live life when you have it. Life is a splendid gift. There is nothing small about it. How very little can be done under the spirit of fear. The most practical lesson that can be given to nurses is to teach them what to observe. Nature alone cures. What nursing has to do is to put the patient in the best condition for nature to act upon him. I think one's feelings waste themselves in words. They ought all to be distilled into action which bring results. The very first requirement in a hospital is that it should do the sick no harm. A human being does not cease to exist at death. It is change, not destruction, which takes place. If a patient is cold, if a patient is feverish, if a patient is faint, if he is sick after taking food, if he has a bed sore, it is generally the fault not of the disease but of the nursing. Never give nor take an excuse. Unnecessary noise is the most cruel abuse of care which can be inflicted on either the sick or the well. Apprehension, uncertainty, waiting, expectation, fear of surprise do a patient more harm than any exertion.